Alright, you guys, we got a new keyboard, so let's open it up. With this things here. This is for take the keycaps out. This is to charge your keyboard. And these are the switches. This is the RX75 Pro. This is how it looks. Let's see if it lights up. Turn the light on. If I had to rate this keyboard, I'll definitely give it 10 out of 10. You can switch the keycaps, you can turn the lights on, and the sound is super, super creamy. I love everything about this keyboard. Also, the back of the keyboard, you can lift this up and give it that extra boost while you're typing and put it back down. This is also Bluetooth, so you could take this part out in the back and plug it into your monitors or your laptop. So if you guys are interested in this keyboard, I will leave the link down below as well as my showcase. Bye guys!